subscribe to our channel.
10 Home Remedies for Bruises. Bruises, also known as hematomas, are formed when blood accumulates under the surface of the skin. They usually appear after a blow or contusion somewhere on the body. Every one of us has experienced one, so we know how painful and annoying they can be. That's why in this video we'll show you 10 home remedies for bruises that are simple, effective and natural. 1. Arnica root. Arnica is one of the most effective and popular products available for all kinds of bruises. It makes an effective complement to an anti-inflammatory agent and painkiller. This is because it's high in gallic, caffeic, and chlorogenic acids, as well as helenalin and dihydrohelenalin. 2. Ice. Another popular remedy for bruises and bumps in general is ice. In fact, it's been used for a long time. Ice is effective because the cold causes the blood vessels under the surface to contract, reducing inflammation. It also numbs the affected area and helps prevent the bruise from worsening. It's important to apply an ice compress as soon as possible after an impact. 3. Salt. Salt is another good choice for fighting bruises. Apply a bit of salt to the affected area where it will absorb the lymphatic fluid that builds up beneath the skin, reducing inflammation and pain. 4. Onion. Onion is another option. When you get a bruise, apply a layer of onion on the region. Allinase, the same compound that makes our eyes water when we're slicing this vegetable, also helps stimulate the flow of lymphatic fluid and prevents blood from pooling beneath the skin. You need to apply the onion as quickly as possible after you've bumped into something. 5. Apple cider vinegar. Pour some apple cider vinegar onto some gauze and apply it to the bruise, massaging gently. This stimulates circulation near the surface of the skin, causing the blood stored beneath to dissipate. 6. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties and is used for all kinds of bumps and injuries, especially burns. All this is thanks to alcibar. Apply it to the bruised region and it will help keep it from turning purple. If you chill the gel beforehand, it also reduces pain and, of course, inflammation. 7. Parsley. When a bruise appears, cut a few sprigs of parsley and apply them to the affected area. Parsley has analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties that will help ease the pain. Parsley is also used to reduce swelling of the joints. 8. Witch hazel. Witch hazel is a very popular plant in Japan and China with properties that can reduce inflammation and relieve pain following a stroke. For this purpose, make a tea using the leaves of this plant and apply the liquid to the affected area using a moistened cloth. 9. Garlic. Garlic is also excellent for healing bruises. Because it's a powerful antioxidant, you can apply some fresh garlic juice to the bruise and it will promote new tissue growth. Eating garlic is similarly good for your health. 10. Potatoes. Finally, potatoes contain catalase, which promotes healthy cellular growth and reduces pain and inflammation. Place a small slice of potato over the bruise and leave it there for a few minutes. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.